Hi guys, it's me, and today we're talking about a display that's built with one goal in mind: delivering large-scale visuals that stay sharp, reliable, and professional over time. This is the NEC Display 86-inch ultra-high-definition professional display with ATSC and NTSC tuner, and it's very different from the typical big TV you'd find in a living room. The first thing that stands out is the sheer size. An 86-inch screen completely changes how information and media are consumed. Presentations feel easier to follow, video content becomes more engaging, and signage instantly commands attention. This is the kind of display that fills a room and makes sure everyone sees exactly what's on screen, no matter where they're sitting or standing. But size alone isn't enough, and that's where the 4K Ultra HD resolution really matters. With 4 times the detail of Full HD, everything looks clean and precise. Text is sharp, fine details stay visible, and images don't lose clarity even when viewed up close. That makes this display especially useful for meeting rooms, classrooms, and professional environments where accuracy matters. One of the biggest strengths of this NEC display is consistency. It's engineered to run for long hours without losing brightness or color balance. Unlike consumer TVs that are optimized for short viewing sessions, this panel is designed for continuous operation. Whether it's on all day in an office or running content in a public space, performance stays stable and dependable. The built-in ATSC and NTSC tuner adds another layer of versatility. This allows the display to receive broadcast television signals directly, without the need for extra hardware. For waiting areas, schools, offices, and public venues, this makes it easy to switch between live TV and other content while keeping the setup clean and simple. Connectivity is straightforward and professional. Multiple HDMI inputs allow easy connection to laptops, media players, streaming devices, and conferencing systems. This makes the display easy to integrate into existing setups, whether it's a corporate boardroom, an educational space, or a commercial installation. The physical design is clean and functional. Slim bezels keep attention on the content while maintaining a modern, professional look. The build quality feels solid, clearly designed for permanent installation rather than casual movement. This is a display meant to stay mounted and perform reliably for years. In business environments, this screen improves communication. Presentations are easier to follow, data is clearer, and collaboration becomes more effective. In classrooms, students benefit from better visibility, especially when displaying detailed diagrams or text-heavy content. In retail or signage use, visuals appear bold, sharp, and hard to ignore. Video playback is equally impressive. Large-scale visuals combined with 4K clarity make movies, promotional videos, and live broadcasts feel immersive. Motion handling remains smooth and stable, which is important for both video and live content. While this display isn't focused on gaming features, it delivers dependable performance for everyday professional use. Another important factor is NEC's long-standing reputation in the professional display market. This brand is known for durability, quality control, and dependable performance. When investing in a display of this size, reliability matters just as much as image quality. And that's where NEC stands out. Power and heat management are optimized for extended use. Even with its massive size, the display is built to operate efficiently, making it suitable for environments where screens stay on for long periods. So who is this display really for? It's ideal for businesses, educational institutions, control rooms, retail spaces, and anyone who needs a large, reliable, and sharp display that performs consistently. This isn't about flashy smart features. It's about clarity, scale, and professional-grade dependability. Hi guys, it's me. If you want to buy this NEC Display 86-inch ultra-high-definition professional display with ATSC and NTSC tuner, then please visit the link provided in the description.